Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. For this week video I present you how I did my little muzzle for my fur not fur squishy or teddy bear that you'd like to make. So I cast on the machine starting by the black needle, one in the front, one in the back for the first row, and then I will crank till I reach 13 rows. Now it's time to remove it. So cast off. So I will do a 360 with the machine without the yarn going through the yarn feeder, so that way it will release all the stitches one by one. So now with my wool needle I will grab all stitch one by one, going through the little teeth with the tip of my wool needle. So it's very important to grab all to prevent the drop stitch. Take your time, and when you get very close you could crank again to release a 3 or 4 stitch left. After that you remove it and stretch it just a little bit like this, and time to close both sides. So pull on the tail of yarn, and with your wool needle you will go and do some double knot. Do one side and I will do the same thing on the other side. Very important. When both sides are attached with knot and secure, I will go and create like a little circle with it, flat circle, going like this, and with the wool needle I will go through the middle and attach those two tails together to secure it. So you could use that for any teddies or plushy animal that you like to do with your machine. Now it's time to hide those little tail of yarn in the double layer, and then I will go and cut the excess and bring some dark color. You could use dark gray, brown, or black, or sometimes you could do some pink. Oh my god, my voice, I'm losing it. So I'm going through the middle and I will create like a V. So I'm gonna go on the side and come back. Very important, don't go too tight, because if you go too tight will change the shape of your muzzle. So I continue like that, and during that time I will go on the top, come back, and I try to create like a triangle, so all the stitch will be in the triangle and it will be cute and secure for under 3 years old kids that could play with it. So no worry for plastic to get in their mouth. So I'll go in the corner and going down, but not in the middle, just a little bit upper there, and I will create like a V, going slow there, stretch a little bit sorry, stay in the triangle, going down just a little bit upper from the starting point, and pull, and I will continue like that. So the middle would get up a little bit with time. Oh my god, my voice is horrible tonight, sorry for that. I have to stop and drink and push back the record button. I was talking by myself, I forgot to put the record. So we'll go in the middle again and go on the side, come back in the middle. So you see I'm getting a little bit up, up, up all the time, and in the middle you could see the nose is coming to appear at our eyes. I'm not sure that's a sentence, so sorry, hope you understand. Oh my god. So I go in the corner, I'm almost finished this part of the triangle. There, a smaller triangle now. And if you like, you could try with thicker yarn. Could be cute too. You just use the same yarn all the time. I always use Bernat Premium for my project because my machine like it. So the machine I've used for starting, it was a 22 from ADDI knitting machine. So go in the middle, and I could go on the side and on the other side like this, but I decided to just go down. It's easier and it's gonna work well too. So I go in there and attach it, those two tails together. Whoops, I separate it with the tip of my wool needle. So now I will do a double knot, and not going too tight to keep it together. So always remember that everything's possible. There's always a way, so never give up. Ciao, ciao. See you next week for a brand new video. Ciao, ciao.